like Mary and Rhoda. Loves musical theater, doesn't ride Bonita, and she's hot as a propane heater. Doesn't follow rules, she'll kick your ass at pool. She's always safe when she's using power tools. Def Leppard Hatton, he Thomas with a baton. Likes to watch the Muppets take Manhattan. Likes goats and buddies and hanging with her honey. Moved to Portland even though it's never sunny. She's a puppeteer, the children love to see her, and you know all the girlies wanna be her. Makes the world so gay like a crazy cabaret. Hey Jen Coleman, have a happy birthday. We love Jen Coleman. We love Jen Coleman. She's versed in playing softball. If you need some help, y'all, she'll come to your house and hang some drywall. Drives a car named Herbie, loves the roller derby. Look you in the eye, make you topsy-turvy. Lives in Montevilla, is friends with Phyllis Diller. If you get her ice cream, make sure it's French vanilla. Not easily explainable, her talent's unattainable. She's make the environment more sustainable. To rid the world of lead with a needle and thread. If you emit pollution, she will bonk you in the head. She makes the world so gay like a crazy cabaret. Hey Jen Coleman, have a happy birthday. We love Jen Coleman. We love Jen Coleman. We love Jen Coleman.